So basically, it can be deleted. So there's a delete button. Hello. Okay, there's a delete button in my chat box, which will then delete your bot and no one can access your chat bot anymore. Second, don't store the we don't store the messages in topic here. So the moment you leave the window and you go back, you cannot build on top of your conversation earlier. So you need to keep it open because then it's stored by session. So the moment you leave, it's no longer there. And you don't even have your data. It's stored in the browser.
One more question. How do you earn from this? Kasi nagtataka ako pa, kasi ang dami ng AI, no? So, paano nag-earn yung mga company from this station?
So, right now, we did the same AI initiative without the intent to earn anything yet. Basically, because it's a brand new technology, we're basically even shouldering the operational cost of the apps that we have. So the only way we can earn money is if we sell it as a normal app, like having subscriptions or letting them purchase the product to use it. And right now we don't do that yet. We basically just release all the apps we have with the theme of like build openly with AI. Any use cases we can think of, we build an app for it in a day, release it to the public, and some will resonate with the people, and some won't, and it's okay. And basically, the end goal there is then we are highly aware about the potential of AI and what it can do across different industries. Yeah.
Alright, you have any question?
I think nasagot na all three naman itong app ko, di ba?
Yes.
Does your AI uses yung platform ng ChatGPT, right?
Currently, we use the OpenAI, the ChatGPT one. Yes, on the generative text side. So that's what we currently use. We haven't used Bard yet. They don't have an API that can support other developers to build on top of. So right now, we're building all these generative AI apps through ChatGPT.
And then nilagay nyo ng konting twist, just like Roadmap.
Correct.
Medyo Baroque English siya, di ba? Parang
Yes.
engaging siya sa mga younger ba? Department or something like parang
Yes.
dun sa paano naman meron ng mga partners. Yung, di ba, ilalabas niya yung program. Sana pag may link pa din doon, showing how we can do that exercise.
We're planning to add like AI-generated images, like how to do the exercises like start and end form movement. So yeah, maybe in the future I can
Dun sa follow-up sa question niya, pwede kong i-delete yung ginawa ko na chatbot. Pwede bang i-delete siya ng
Hindi.
as long as hindi ko nilidelete, sabihin ko.
Yes.
And it's free.
Yes.
Thank you.
Question po, I'm J.I. Glante from University of Makati as well as freelance technologer. With regards po dun sa fit planner, do we source any recommendations from the experts or fitness coaches to make it more accurate and hindi po siya somehow nagtitig sa borderline na delikado yung mga nire-recommend? Kasi, di ba, meron sa iba't ibang body ng nag-exercise, may different health conditions, like this, like that. So, yun yung ask questions.
Currently, right now it's not like it doesn't have any recommendations from health experts. So what we can do for that is maybe add more questions to the app. So like they can put their related issues. So the AI can adjust the exercises, the program that it generates.
So, mag-a-add na lang ng health data in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm trying to developing my own
I named it Lawrence, actually and then it's your drinking money. So I asked the prompt to give me like a list of drinks that I can drink based on my preferences. However, when I asked, it did give me a list of wines that I could drink. However, when I asked how I would drink the wine, it responded with error, token error.
Okay, so that one right now means we're currently using an API with like a soft limit so we can track the usage. That one is basically the token error is the limit was exceeded, and basically our team will be notified by it and we'll just update it, and then you can just rehash and that should work again. Yeah.
Hi, Bob Reyes. I'm not sure it was discussed earlier. I was late, sorry. How much time in your day as a developer was allocated for this passion projects or whatever you call it?
Well, operationally, the challenge was the team will develop one AI app for a day. So in their 8-hour day, they needed to come up with an AI app based on the use case they like. So it was Reagan who decided he wanted to do a gym stuff. And so he wanted to create caveman. but basically, yeah, I'll ask the question you how long will it take?
As for that, actually, as Gary said, the main thing is that it should be done within the day. And that's what we did, and we actually just, added into it the next day, so something, honestly, I don't know, maybe like 2 days or something, to create roadmap. And the reason being is I want to fine-tune roadmap into something that is, that's really caveman-like, or something that doesn't, go out of its character or something. So basically, the thing is develop within the day and then fine-tuning to another thing, I'd say, about those.
For me, I'd say it just took like less than 10 hours, maybe, because I think the system is up. Then I think, well, it took me 2 days, but overall it's 10 hours. It's 2 days, but it's 10 hours. So, well, I think what took so long is taking images and icons. Yeah. Which I ended up, I don't know, getting icon from AI tools.
Anyone of you who had prior experience in developing for AI or using AI, how hard or how easy it is?
That's the thing, actually, I say I have no problem with generative AI. It's a new thing and we're still getting a grasp on how it works. And that's why we're basically doing this. So I guess that's the essence of the challenge really. So it challenges us to actually learn these AI technologies and use them in a way that we can create something. So what I'd say is it doesn't really, we didn't need a lot of know-how initially. What we did was, the drive to actually predict the apps and it's actually to go through with it. I guess that's just
For me, I'm not a developer anymore. I run the operations, but before I ran the operations, I ran projects at SIM. And we basically doubled with AI in specific projects that we handle. And how it would usually go is to be the one to train it. You have to be the one to feed data to it. And with the whole generative AI tools that we have right now, basically we have models that we can just connect to. Which I think would drastically change the game in how we develop AI apps. Because then you can just build on top of that model and then fine-tune it, feed it with my company data or certain data, health data, and yeah, put it basically fine-tune it to a certain way using their own model, and I don't teach my own model from scratch, which is a very big difference in how we did 5 years ago when I was running AI projects.
Last for me is moving forward. What's the plan of SIM?
So the plan of SIM, so okay, we're in the first stage, which is basically explore generative AI, which is the AI 2030. The next step is basically the fine-tuning one. And then ultimately, we basically want to revamp how we do work right now. Because we've been so used to like building apps from scratch, which has drastically changed the way. So basically, as goal, we want to innovate the way we do things. And we're on our way doing that.
Hello everyone, my name is Mara from Bats Capital. I'm not sure if it's already answered because of him late, but I would need to know regarding app. Is there any restrictions when it comes to age? When they ask, or it's just answered any question that has been fed to the AI?
Actually, one of our colleagues actually tried to ask Grog about illegal stuff. For example, say drugs. And actually, Grog not would respond, but he will refuse to actually give that information. Maybe that's part of the guidelines of the restriction is that it should be something within the legal limitations. Basically. So yeah, you can ask him about something doing that.
Yes, because I can see the app useful to students especially, so they can understand this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, LARIZA from Manila Society. Question ko, hindi ko rin alam kung na-miss ko lang or what. Medyo liliwanagin ko lang. Okay, first, it's a website na nandun yung tatlong whatever your plan.
Yung apps?
Yung apps.
Yeah, all our web apps that you can access through different ways.
Okay. Next question, may subscription fee ba?
Right now, no. Like, none of our apps are paid.
So, free talaga siya. Anyone can just use just as long as pupunta sila sa website.
Correct. Yes.
Open to everyone, no age limit, everything under the sun questions.
By default, no sign up, but I think there are 2 apps right now that the dev wanted to do sign up because, for example, Travel Doodle, we basically had thousands of people trying it out, and some of our apps have been also like attacked when we built this fast. So now we've established protocols in place because we just built this in a day. So now some apps, especially if it's high demand, some will require sign up to make sure these are really people.
Okay, how user-friendly is the pag-ikot or what dun sa loob ng website? How user-friendly siya? Kasi diba, actually AI is becoming a trend talaga ngayon.
Correct.
So, paano kunyari talagang, let's say, it's a newbie, wala siyang alam, how user-friendly yung pag-ikot dun sa website?
Most of the apps are basically just forms that you need to fill in. There's not much buttons to click. It's like you just fill in a form and then enter, you have your result. That's how most of the apps function now, except for the chatbot. Yung chatbot lang yung medyo technical side, that's yung app gen where we allow people to create apps. But all the apps generated are basically a form that will just be very useful to you. An example will be like a lesson planner generator. Say, you have a teammate who basically just created fields that you need to fill in, and then after that you enter, you have a result of the lesson plan so that it's suggested to you.
Is there a time limit during yung pagpasok dun sa website or 24/7 siya?
24/7 siya.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I sir, question na, since it's ChatGPT, may limited ba yung prompt niya or unlimited prompt yung pwede na gawin ko sa...
For the apps, basically only, for example, the Puppeteer one, we allow anyone to create as much apps as they can. The one thing to take note is that we're basically doing this because we want to explore the different use cases possible. So we're operating in an open mind, like not much restriction of like, let's see how we can transform our lives and put this to good use. And that's kind of like the operating principle that we have right now.
Thank you.
Hello, I have a question. You mentioned you guys created 30 AI apps in 1 month. How did you have any safeguards or tests since you published it to the public? How did you make sure that the apps were usable? Were there any problems that happened since you were moving a lot of things fast? Like any issues that occurred with the pace that you did with your initiatives?
Well, I think the first and foremost that we all agree to do is taking a disclaimer. So we have this thing called Build Openly with AI, which is basically we are making everyone aware these are all work in progress, and when the devs post about it, it's basically asking for feedback. So then it's like as a society, we're all trying to build the kind of world we want, and the tools are being built that way also. So so the devs will post about the app, put some disclaimer there. Anyone can use it. We get feedback directly on the things that need to change. And on top of that, this is built on top of like an existing model. So there's already existing protocols in place of like adding the legal stuff, whatnot. And so we didn't have to think about that so much. The only challenge we had was the one I mentioned earlier of building this fast. We didn't really have security protocols in place that we ended up having bots using the app. So in our we just we needed to add some protocols to regulate it. It was good.
May reward ba for those who were able to deliver?
This is actually an open challenge. We didn't really do like competition on this one, so maybe we should have. But no, there's no rewards here. It's like people, the developers, being in time, like we made them try because in times we kept doing it up until now.
Who owns the copyright to the code? Will it be the company or the developer?
Well, basically, that one is the company. They built that and using our own tools and our own APIs. The one thing to note is that there's not much code written here because it's built on top of an existing model. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Do you have any questions?
Kira natin si Kuya Rizal. Kuya Rick.
Nakalagay kasi dito yung develop mobile apps for clients and yung AI. May model na ba kayo for schools?
Schools. There are apps that have been made for schools, mainly teachers especially. Okay, I think Shell was one of the most highly involved in the education vertical.
So it's just chime in. So we do have education-related AI apps. So we created one to help teachers create lesson plans faster. So one of the most tedious thing to do, so we want to take away that hard part so we can focus on other things also. So we actually had 3 lesson planners, test checker, and then syllabus. So a lot of the teachers who decided to testing it, we're actually encouraging that the teachers to actually test those out. So we can we get their feedback, we can enhance it. And from the time we launched it, we actually added more features where we made it easier for the teachers to actually create better problems. So that's how we want to empower the teachers. Just to add, and somebody asked question earlier, like who owns the code? Like in our company, we have what we call startup labs. So we encourage bright ideas, innovative ideas, so that eventually we can launch separate apps and help them make their dreams into reality also. So that's one of the things that makes it very different from other companies because we have that kind of technological spirit also to encourage.
Alright, thanks, sir.
Any more questions? Alright, 3.
You need to be a stand-up developer to become on top of your team.
Wait, can you repeat the question?
Do you need to be a stand-up developer to be on top of your game consistently?
Top developer.
Well, the answer to that is a strong yes. Okay, let me explain. So basically now with AI, the playing field has more or less been equal to everyone. It's harder to stand out, but at the same time it's easier to create solutions, which is a good thing. So depends on what you mean by standing out. Like for me to have PHP as a developer, then there will need to be a certain level of skill that is required now compared to before. Like, yeah, basically, especially the non-technical stuff will be much more on demand than the technical stuff with the AI.
You have a follow-up question? Any more questions?
Add to that, Reese. Well, so since we have this culture of excellence also, so that's again something that I'll be bragging. They're very low key, so I'll be the one to brag for them. So actually, we have a very high standard at SIM. So these guys are actually really good at what they do. And now, of course, in artificial intelligence, it's more broad. So what you're seeing is just the top part, and there's more deeper things and deeper practices to AI. And that's what we're gonna do actually for other companies. So we do consulting on artificial intelligence, so that if we don't have expertise, we can help them create artificial intelligence apps.
So how do you size the market?
I'm sorry?
How do you size up the market for AI?
Wow, it's very early, I would say, but a lot of interest on AI. The question there is are they ready? Are their companies ready? Are their data clean and ready to actually be processed and things like that? So in any case, I think the first step, if when a company says we're interested to create AI apps, so what we can do when we come in is we check, we have discovery calls with them, or we just have discovery meetings and see and help them assess where they are right now and how we can work together in terms of their AI journey.
So government is pushing for
That would be nice because that would be like some sort of regulation, right? And I think personally it has to come from them. Like as early as now, people who say we might lose jobs because of AI. People in the BPO, people on the support service. We have to start regulating. We have to start reskilling them, say from engineering and etc. Right? So we have to do something now before it's too late. And that's the reason why we're doing a lot of efforts in educating the market on AI as well. Because we have to move fast, or otherwise we'll be left behind. And a good percentage of our economy is very dependent on BPO, back office processing for companies in other countries, right? Yeah.
Any more questions? 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think you have anything else?